Step 1. Inspect the roof or ground, ensuring it's stable, clear of hazards or obstructions to safely proceed with the solar panel installation. Step 2. Securely position and attach mounting rails or frames following the installation plan to ensure stable support for the solar panels. Step 3. Carefully check each solar panel for cracks, chips, or damage to ensure they're intact and ready for a reliable installation. Step 4. Choose a location for the inverter that's easy to access for maintenance and operation, while ensuring it doesn't interfere with the solar panel array. Step 5. Organize and inspect cables, ensuring they're intact with no damage or exposed wiring to maintain electrical safety and functionality. Step 6. Check for the availability and proper use of safety gear, like harnesses and barriers, to ensure a safe working environment. That was the final step.